Day 1. Available. She is not available at the moment. Gift wrapping is available. The fitness center is available to members. Eligible. Any of the students attending the class are eligible to borrow books from the school library. Reliable. The electronic products of the company are very popular on the market because they are very reliable. Representative. Representatives attending the annual convention had to check in at the designated hotel. Assess. Unfortunately, the service charge had already been assessed when they called to cancel the reservation. Establish. The sheriff of the town tried to establish order in the area. Approximately. The company is located approximately 5 miles away from City Hall. Estimate. The manager estimated that it would take about 2 weeks to complete the project. Implement. The new floor manager proposed a more effective way to implement the plant restructuring plan to the president. Competitive. Our market has lost its competitive edge because of the dollar exchange rate. Issue. The scientist's article about human cloning will appear in the December issue. Commitment. They felt the lack of commitment to a project. Process. The application process for the position. Suspend. The annual conference will be suspended because of the union strike until next week. Survey. The new contractors surveyed the office room. Approximately 80% of the university students who were surveyed wanted to study English. Drastically. The number of the bald eagle has been increasing drastically over the last decade. Incentive. The company will try a new incentive policy to encourage employees. Productivity. The newly installed system should substantially increase the productivity. Alternative. Members came up with a cheaper alternative. Investigation. Not knowing the outcome of the investigation, the spokesman of the organization refused to announce any results. Compensate. Most firms compensate their employees if they are injured in a company. Attractive. This project is attractive to investors. Appliance. There are many home appliances in the store. Increasingly. Employees were confused because of increasingly complex regulations. Substantially. Because of the changing company policy, our operating procedures will be substantially affected. Precaution. When you transport this portable gas range, remove the gas container as a safety precaution. Progressive. Although we strive to be progressive, we don't mind being a little old-fashioned from time to time. Priority. Developing a new product is top priority for this meeting. Reservation. I'd like to cancel my reservation. When did you make your reservation? Applicant. Mr. Clark is the most qualified applicant among the members. Release. By the time the prisoner is released, he will have spent 6 years behind bars. Receipt. Keep your receipt for all of the goods you bought. Inventory. When do you need to take inventory? Itinerary. The travel guide handed me a copy of the itinerary. Access. Direct access to a park. Control access to information. Account. When did you open your account? Expenditure. This year's heating bill, as well as other expenditures, was a lot higher than it was last year. The cosmetics firms with the largest advertising expenditures are Fontina, Karen, and Lucilla. Address. The woman is addressing the audience. The manager must address the problem. Send all mail to the listed address. Finally, the agreement was finally approved, so the staff could resume the project. Proposal. The proposal to close the banks and financial institutes at 3 p.m. was rejected by a large majority. Accommodate. We can accommodate large parties at one time. Advance. There has been a great recent advance in technology. Sharply. The cost of shipping goods has risen sharply in the last 8 months. Notify. All employees should notify their immediate supervisors. Analysis. An analysis of the results sometimes reveals that the opposite way is the best solution. Announce. They announce the results. Belongings. Don't forget to take all your belongings when you leave the airplane.